how to get free trial on ExitLag. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to get a free trial on ExitLag. Now, if you check out our pricing over here in ExitLag, it's a bit steep for other people, and of course, people would want to know if it is truly worth using their platform, or is it truly worth using or paying for their plans over here. And so a free trial is actually offered in ExitLag upon creating an account. So if you click on create your account over here, as you can see, let me go to another page over here so we can easily see the information. As you can see here, create your account and enjoy a 3-day free trial. So you will be able to have a free trial for 3 days at least, and you don't need to worry about entering any credit card or bank information because as you can see, it will say no credit card required. So unlike any other platform where it does say free trial, but you need to connect your payment method, it at Siglag, you can simply start right away without paying or entering any other information. So simply create your account and enjoy your free 3-day trial. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.